Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Students, today I am going to take a science class for class 8 student on the based on creative question and answer from chapter 13. Dear students, take your textbook in your hand. Open page number 152 and today we will solve creative question answer 2. That means creative question 2 and follow the class with your textbook and with your copy. Dear students, let's start the class. First we will read the question. The question is, Nurjahan Begum is too much concerned about the physical growth of her 8-year-old son Bokul. To ensure Bokul's physical growth and sound health, she started feeding her son with some special types of food, but she put different types of food in the food menu of herself, her husband's, Bokul's grandfather and grandmother. First question is, what is protein? The second question is, what do we understand by Rafiz? Third question is, how does Nurjahan Begum prepare the food chart for Bokul? Describe. And last question, justify the rationale behind the selection of different foods for the members of Nurjahan Begum's family. Dear students, here I gave some answer for this question, but you will try to make the answer by yourself following the textbook. So let's start the answer of the question. The first question was, what is protein? The answer of the question is, protein is the composite element of our body. It is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Protein contains 16% of nitrogen. Sometimes a little amount of phosphorus, iron and other fundamental elements are also found in proteins. The second question was, what do we understand by Rafiz? The answer of the question is, Rafiz is the part of cereal grains, fruits and vegetables which is not digested. It passes almost unchanged through the gut. It is not a nutritious element, but it is very essential to maintain a sound health. Rafiz in grains called barn. Rafiz in fruit and vegetables is the cellulose wall of plant cells. We get Rafiz from fibrous foods. Now we will discuss about the answer of question answer C. Question was, how does Nurjahan Begum prepare the food chart for Bokul? Describe. Dear students, I gave you a guideline here. This is not proper answer for you because it is so little. You will make it larger by following the book and by yourself also. Nurjahan Begum's son Bokul's age is 8. So, still he is a child. Children have a less immunity to fight diseases. That's why animal and plant protein should be given more to children. So, as a mother, Nurjahan Begum has made food list by measuring his weight and age. As 7 to 10 years child needs 1800 kilocalorie of food daily. So, Bokul's daily need is 1800 kilocalories food because his age is 8. Thinking all those factors, Nurjahan Begum made food list for Bokul. Now, we will discuss the last question answer, and the question was, justify the rationale behind the selection of different foods for the members of Nurjahan Begum's family. Needs of daily calorie are not same for adults and children, for which Nurjahan Begum made different food for her family members. Children and adults, female, male have different requirement of calories. which we have discussed in the class when we discuss the chapter. There is a chart also in your textbook, follow that chart. So she made change of food list for her family members. Food is selected on the basis of body weight, age and gender. Age of her family members such as her sons, grandfathers and grandmothers are not same. Also everyone's food energy spending rate is not same. Food list should be different because the members include female, male, adult and children. From the above discussion, this is clear that having different food selection was a right decision by Nurjahan Begum. Dear students, here is your homework. You have to do your homework. This is the homework number 10 for L1 term. You have to do CBQ 2 A, B, C. That means this one and this one is your homework. Dear students, you have to make the answer of C by yourself by following the textbook, and you can take help from here also, but try to write the answer by yourself. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood, and when we discuss the chapter that time I also discuss about this. Try to make the answer by yourself by following the textbook. Learn the previous question answer, learn the chapter so properly because this chapter is so much important for MCQ and all types of questions. That means creative questions answer also. Learn all the topics and do the homework because you will get the CT diary and SBA mark by on the basis on the performance of your homework. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number on the board. Keep practicing. Abide by your parents. Stay safe. Stay home. Allah Hafiz.